Welcome everyone. We are discussing family of lines. In the previous class, I have discussed 5 problems of family of lines. So, 2 equations are given, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. What is equation of family of lines? Through intersection of 1. Formula is first equation plus k into second equation equals to 0. And I have solved 5 or 6 problems. So you can solve problems using this formula or using alternative method. But today I will discuss some problems of competitive exam. They are very simple problems, problem of Wbjee and JEE. Here we have to use the combined formula. So look, very simple problems. The lines x into problem number 1, x into a plus 2b, y into a plus 3b equals to a plus b. The lines, this is combined equation for different values of a and b. A and b obviously constant, pass through a fixed point. So you have to find the value of the fixed point. So combined equation is given a plus 2b, y into a plus 3b equals to a plus b. So this is combined equation. Now look, if we take a common, this is x plus y minus 1, x plus y, a is transferred to left hand side, then b common, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Now, if we divide it by b, so it will be x plus y minus 1 plus b by a, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. We are getting this equation. Now, if we consider b by a equals to k, so this will be k. First equation plus k into second equation. So this is equation of family of lines. So this is combined equations. So this implies, so this is equation of line passing through intersection of x plus y minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So look, application of this one. So combined equation is given, we are getting separate equations. So this is combined equation. So we are getting separate equations. So you have to solve it to find point of intersection. Now you solve it. This is 2x plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Multiplying by 2, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So if you subtract, so this is minus y, this is minus y, this is minus 1 equals to 0. So this implies y equals to minus 1. So this is minus y and this is minus 2. So y plus 1 equals to 0, so y equals to minus 1. So if we put y equals to minus 1, so x plus y is minus 1 and this is minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 2. So what is the point? 2 comma minus 1. So point is 2 comma minus 1. So let us verify. So answer will be B. So this is very simple problem and most important for competitive exam, and will take minimum time. So combined equation is given, you find separate equation. Next, problem number 2. So here, point of concurrence of lines. So point of concurrence. So point of concurrence, that is point of intersection. So lines passes through fixed point. This is called point of concurrency. So you have to find point of intersection. Now equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. With a condition, what is condition? 3a plus 2b plus 4c equals to 0. So 3a plus 2b equals to minus 4c. So we can find value of c. So put value of c here. So multiply throughout by 4. So 4ax, 4by, as you please. You eliminate c from these two equations by any method. Now what is c? 4ax plus 4by, and what is c? This is 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b. So this is 4c minus 3a plus 2b. Now if we take x common, a common, now this is 4x minus 3, y common, 4y minus 2 equals to 0. Now it reduces to simple the previous one. So this one is b. So b by a, 4y minus 2 equals to 0. So if we consider this as k, so first equation plus second equation, k into second equation equals to 0. Obviously, we can say this is combined equation. It passes through 4x minus 3y equals to 0 and 4y minus 2 equals to 0. So we are getting two equations from this combined equation. Solve and find x and y. So what is x? X is 3 by 4, y equals to half. So point of concurrency is 3 by 4, comma half. 3 by 4, comma half. So C will be the correct option. So look, very simple problem. Here you need idea of combined equation, that is family of lines. To the problems of previous class, you can use also alternative method, but here we have to use this theory. So very simple one. Now we consider one more problem exactly similar that of earlier. Now so that the lines given by this for different values of k pass through a fixed point. Find the point. So combined equation is given. This is combined equation. 2 plus k into x, 1 plus k into y, 5 plus 7. So we are getting 2x not involving k. 2x plus y minus 5 plus k common. This is x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. So 2x plus y minus 5 plus k into this. So combined equation can be written in this form. This equation plus k into second equation. So obviously, so separate equation will be 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. So they are separate equation. So solving, we get point of intersection. So look, if you subtract, so x, so y cancel. X plus 2 equals to 0. So what is x? X equals to minus 2. So x plus y equals to 7. So minus 2 plus y equals to 7. So y equals to 9. Y equals to 9. So what is the point? Point is minus 2, 7. So the fixed point is minus 2, 7. This point is fixed because it does not involve k. So it passes through fixed point. What is the fixed point? Minus 2, 7. So exactly same that of earlier. Now we consider more problems. Now one more problem. So this is problem of JNN. If ABCD are non-zero constant, let ABCD are non-zero constant. If the point of intersection of this and this lies in fourth quadrant, it lies in fourth quadrant and equidistant from axis, then find the correct option. Find the correct option. Now it is given point lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, and it is equidistant from the axis. So this distance and this distance same. So point is minus alpha, alpha comma minus alpha greater than 0. You look the condition, it lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So x is positive, y is negative. One more condition is given, that is it is equidistant from axis. So that is why. So alpha equals to, so this EM, this is OM, OM is positive and this is negative. So fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. One more condition, equidistance, that is why alpha equals to minus alpha. So alpha comma minus alpha. So we are taking a point in fourth quadrant, alpha comma minus alpha. So it satisfies both the equations. So alpha minus alpha is point of intersection. Therefore 4a alpha minus 2a, so this is not obviously a 2ay, so this is I think by 4ax. So it is a B. Okay. So alpha minus alpha is point of intersection. So these two equations are satisfied by alpha comma minus alpha. So 4a alpha minus 2a alpha plus c equals to 0. So 2a alpha plus c equals to 0. So what is alpha? Minus c by 2a. So call it 1. So we are getting value of alpha. Now alpha comma minus alpha lies on this equation also. So 4bx 2by plus d equals to 0. So 4b alpha 2b alpha y is minus alpha plus d equals to 0. So what is alpha? Minus d by 2b. So we are getting alpha in first case at c by 2a and this is d by 2a. So what we are getting? So we are getting two values value of alpha. So equate then c by 2a equals to d by 2b. So minus minus cancel out. Minus minus cancel out. So sorry. So second equation will be 5bx. So 5bx, this is 5bx. So 5bx plus 2dy. Put x equals to alpha, y equals to beta. So this is 3b alpha. So dy 3b, dy 3b. So we are getting c by 2a equals to dy 3b. So 3bc equals to 2ab. So 3bc minus 2ab equals to c. So option. Now listen again. ABC are constant if the point of intersection lies in fourth quadrant and equidistance from axis. So that is why we have taken point as alpha comma minus alpha. Put value of x and y, you are getting alpha in first case and alpha in second case. Equate them and you get C. So B is correct answer. Now we consider one more problem of competitive area. A greater than B greater than C and all are 0. And distance between 1, 1 and point of intersection of this and this is less than 2. Then which option is true? So you can find equation of family of lines and distance from its from 1, 1 you can find and equate the condition, so you get the options. So this is one method, and I have already discussed. You can also find point of intersection, then you can proceed. Now x plus by plus c equals to 0 and bx plus ay plus c equals to 0. So to find point of intersection, so to at least time you have to use method of cross multiplication. So x by bc minus ac, bc minus ac, y by bc minus ac, bc minus ac, and this is a square minus b square. So what we are getting, x equals to bc minus ac by a square minus b square. And what is y? bc minus ac by a square minus b square. So c common, b minus a. So b minus a, c into b minus a. So a minus b, a plus b. So we are getting minus c by a plus b. Because a not equals to b, you can cancel. Now what is y? C into b minus a. So same. So this is minus c by a plus b. So this is point of intersection. So we are getting point of intersection. Now distance between 1, 1 and point of intersection. So 1, 1. This is 1 point and intersection point is minus c by a plus b. This is minus c by a plus b. So we are getting So now we find distance between them. AB equals to mod. So 1 plus C by A plus B whole square plus 1 plus C by A plus B whole square. So A plus B plus C by A plus B whole square. This is A plus B plus C whole square by A plus B whole square. So 2 into, both are same, 2 into A plus B plus C by A plus B whole square. So root over, obviously root over, sorry, root over. So root over. So we are getting root 2 into A plus B plus C by A plus B. So A, B, C are all positive. So we are getting this as distance. Now it is given that, you look, it is given that root 2 into A plus B plus C by A plus B less than 2 root 2. So root 2 cancel. A plus B plus C by A plus B less than 2. Now look, these to be noted. A, B, C are all positive. All positive. So denominator is positive, numerator is positive. So you can multiply it. So A plus B plus C less than 2 into A plus B, or minus A minus B plus C less than 0. So multiply it by negative. So A plus B minus C greater than 0. So less than in equation will be greater than. Now A, B, C are all positive. So this one is positive. So you can multiply. So you are getting A plus B minus C greater than 0. So option A is correct option. So this is also most important problem. So find point of intersection, find distance, root to cancel. A, B, C are all positive. So you can multiply it, then transfer all term, multiply negative sign, it will be better. So today I have discussed some problems of competitive exam using equation of family of lines. So family of lines. So that is why the combined equation is most important. Using combined equation, you have to solve the problems. So if you enjoy this video, you please share and subscribe to my channel Mathematics Demystified. Thank you for today.